Namaste children, welcome to social studies class. Children, in my previous class I had explained to you about physical divisions of India of third lesson. Third lesson is our motherland India. In that we were discussing about physical divisions of India. How many physical divisions are there? So there are 5 physical divisions. Among those 5 physical divisions, first two already I explained to you in my previous class about northern plains and mountains. Which are the mountains are there in India? Mountain ranges and plains. For example, Satpura hills, they are located in the center of India, and the Nilagiri hills are located in the south part of our India. And northern mountains, for example, the great Himalayan range, it is located in the northern part of our India. These are all the things already I explained to you in that previous class. And later one more thing is that plains. What are plains? The definition I told you. And northern plains are very fertile, and most of the rivers here, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna river. So these are all the rivers are originating from Himalayan mountains, and they provide too many facilities for the agricultural work of the northern plain. So there it is, that soil is very suitable for the growing crops. Okay, that I explained to you in my previous class. Let us go to other physical divisions of India. Other three are deserts, the great Indian desert, about that we are going to discuss today, and islands. Which are the islands are there in our India? About those we are going to discuss. And one more is that plateau. Okay, what does it mean, plateau? That we are going to discuss today. So please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, look at it. Our motherland India. Now third physical division of our India is plateau. The land which is flat. Look at this properly here. Definition is there. What is plateau? Plateau means what? Third physical division of our India. The land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. Okay, it is a land area. It will be little flat and it will be higher than its surrounding area. Surrounding area will not be, it will not be higher than this, and this plateau will be higher than that surrounding area. Okay, so this kind of land area is considered as plateau. We are calling it as a plateau. So here, second point it is there here. What is that? The southern part of India looks like a cone on the map. For example, look at this map, then you will understand that. What is that cone shape? Here you can look at this. Yes, it is like cone shape. Okay, ice cream. Do you know the ice cream? Bottom of the ice cream, how it will be? It is like cone shape, V shape. This is like a cone shape, south part of our India. Already directions I told you, it is always north direction, then it is south direction, it is east direction, it is west direction of our India. Okay, so here south part of our India, it is like cone shape. Okay, it is like it looks like in cone shape. Okay, so look at it, map properly. It is in the cone shape. So that they mentioned here clearly here, it is cone shape. South part of our India is in the shape of cone. And next point I would like to share. Yes. So first point is over. It is the south part of our India is in the shape of cone, and it covers largest part of our India. So it covers largest part of our India. See, it is cream color. It is there. No, what it is there? This cream color. It is the southern plateau. The largest land area of our country is covered by Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau means nothing but southern plateau. Southern plateau, Deccan Plateau, both are same. Okay, it is Deccan Plateau. It means most of our Indian land is covered by this southern plateau, cream color which is there here. So this is all southern plateau. Okay. it is higher than its surrounding area. This is higher than its surrounding area. Okay, so this place is, this land area is little higher than this surrounding area, so that is why it is called as plateau, and it is coming to the south part of our India, so it is called as southern plateau. Southern plateau, and also we are calling this one as a Deccan Plateau. And next point you can see it is rocky. Here it is rocky and hard and less fertile than the plains. Plains, northern plains, when I was explaining about those, they have very fertile soil, and that soil is suitable for the crops and agricultural works. But in the Deccan Plateau, when you come to the Deccan Plateau, it is not fertile than that, this soil is not fertile than that plains. This soil is less fertile. Okay, so it is not too much of suitable for the growing the crops. Okay, so this is about plateau. Then desert area. Where is desert area? Look at that map properly here. Okay, so here only you can, yellow color it is given, no? It is a desert area. So it is situated in Rajasthan state of our country. Rajasthan, there we have, next to the Gujarat. Gujarat is here, and next to the Gujarat it is coming there, Rajasthan state. So most of the part of our Rajasthan state is covered by desert. Desert is nothing but sandy area. Everywhere you see there will be sand only. That is sandy area. Sand is nothing but maralu antivala, usugu antivala, that. So sand, sandy area, and so it is existed here. Okay, it is western part and it is northern part. Okay, northwest it is coming here. Northwest, in between north and west direction, this desert is situated. Okay, northwest, it is coming in the northwest of our India. Then desert. Desert means, a desert is a very large area of land having very little water and few plants. Their plants will not grow too many. Only few plants will be growing in that area. So which are adjusting with that climate of the desert, those plants only growing in this area. Not all the plants are growing here. Okay, so keep it in your mind that. And here you can see that, children, here it is having very less water. It means little water will be available in this desert area. Why means it is raining very low here, and that, please read out these all the points, then you will come to know that why. Here it will be covered by sand. Desert area will be covered by sand. Next one, the northwestern side of India is the Great Indian Desert. Okay, so northwestern part, I told you already, I shown you. Here you can see it is western part, it is northern part. In between north and west, it is northwestern part. Northwestern part. So it is situated there. Then the Thar Desert is located, its name is Thar Desert, we are calling it. The name of our Indian desert is Thar Desert, Thar, the Thar Desert. It is located in which state of our India? It is located in Rajasthan state of our India. Okay, so look at this properly there, that image. So it is Rajasthan state. It is Rajasthan state. There this desert, Great Indian Desert, is located. What is the name of this desert? Name of this desert is Thar. Thar Desert. Next point. It rains very low here. Here one point we missed out. Later we can go for it. It rains very low here. It means it is desert area. As it is desert area, here it will be raining very less. It is not raining too much here. Where there will be forest area, there raining will be more. But it is, as it is a desert area, so here it gets very less rainfall. And here summer season will be very hot in desert area. If you go to that desert area in the summer, it will be too hot. But in the winter season, so the climate will be very cool. Okay, climate will be very cool in the winter season, and in the summer season it will be too hot. Then next point, last point you can see, and here one more, the life of that people is very tough here. People who are all living in this area, they lead very tough life because they are getting less water and that climate will be different than other places. Okay, in the summer it will be too hot. So because of these all the reasons, the life of people in the desert area will be very tough. How we are all living here in our Karnataka comfortably, like that they cannot live. So they are facing so many problems in desert area. Okay, then last point, here you can see that here suitable animal to live on sand is camel. Okay, camel they are using, one of the important animal which they use in this sandy area or desert is camel. It has a special feet, its legs are special. So there are so many animals on this earth, but they are all not having same type of feet structure. The foot structure, their foot structure is different. Okay, that is why this camel, it is one of the useful animal in this desert area. One of the useful animal in this. Look at these pictures. They are using. They are sitting on the back of those camels and they are moving from one place to another place in the sandy area. If we walk, what happens? Other animals, other animals also we can use here, horse and other animals, but they cannot walk comfortably on this sand because their legs will be sinking into the sand. ಅವರು ಅದ್ರ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡುತ್ತೆ ನಡೆದಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ keep it in your mind that camel is one of the suitable animal which we can use that one in the desert area, and also it will not drink much water. Okay, often it will not it is not need it needs water for long, after long time. Every day don't want it will not take water, it doesn't drink water every day. So for 1 week, for 1 month, so it means one more thing is that once it drank water, it will be waiting for another 6 months to get water. It means that much of water it will be storing in its humps. Backside humps are there, no? Dome-like structures. They are humps. It will be storing that water content in its humps. So that is the special feature of these camels. So that is why camels are called as ship of the desert. We are calling that camel is considered as ship of the desert. Okay, here it is clearly mentioned that. Okay, we are calling this one as a ship of the desert. Ship of the desert. Ship, it will be useful in the water. To float on the water, we need ship. Likewise, to move from one place to another place on the sandy area, we use camel. Okay, camel is called as ship of the desert. Let us come to this last point of this lesson is peninsula. Peninsula means what? What is this new word peninsula? Peninsula. The land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called peninsula. The land area which will be covered by water on 3 sides. 3 sides also it will be there water. That kind of structure which are all having, they are called, that point is called as, that land area is called as peninsula. For example, India. Southern part of our India is covered by water on 3 sides. It is western direction, it is eastern direction, and it is southern direction. Here in the east we have Bay of Bengal. In the west we have Arabian Sea. Okay. In the south we have Indian Ocean. It means 3 seas and oceans, they have covered our southern part of the India. This land area is covered by water on 3 sides. 1 side, 2 side and 3 side. All the 3 sides we have water here. So that is why this area is considered as peninsula. Peninsula is nothing but the land area which is covered by water on 3 sides. So India is called as a peninsula because it is covered by water on 3 sides. In the eastern direction, what is there? Bay of Bengal is there. In the western direction is there Arabian Sea. In the southern direction is there Indian Ocean. That is why India is called as a peninsula. Okay. Then here is the point. The southern part of India is surrounded by water on three sides. As I told you. So this is the area. It is surrounded by water on three sides. Okay. So three sides also we have water here. That is why India is called as a peninsula. And next one it is the island. The land that is surrounded by water on all sides. There will be land in the middle. Around that land area there will be water. All the side there will be water. This kind of land area is considered as island. I-S-L-A-N-D, not island. It is island. S becomes silent here. Okay. Yes, it becomes silent. So that is why we need to pronounce it as island. Island. So there are approximately 1208 islands in India. 1208. These are all under the control of our Indian government. Okay. And important islands are Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. And Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. Here you can look at this map. So Andaman Nicobar Islands are here and Lakshadweep Islands are here. So these are located in Bay of Bengal. There are Andaman Nicobar Islands, and in the Arabian Sea we have Lakshadweep Islands. These are important points. Keep it in your mind. Okay. So Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. Then climate of our country. What type of climate we have? India has very special climate in its border. Okay. What type of climate it has? That we need to check it. See, India has so many rivers, mountains, forest areas, plains and deserts. One of the important desert, Thar Desert also, it is in Indian border. So here our climate of our country depends upon these all the things. It depends upon mountain, it depends upon rivers, it depends upon forest areas, plains and deserts. And North India, it will be always cool. In the winter season, it will be too cool, North India. And when it will be winter season, then it becomes very, very cool. That climate of that area will becomes very cool. So these problems we are facing every year. Okay. Because of this is influenced by the northern mountains like Himalayan mountains. Himalayan mountains are very nearer to that northern part of our India, so that in the summer it will be too hot here and in the winter it will be too cool here. And in the mountain area always there will be cold climate only. In winter also same, in summer also same, but little less will be there. Summer it decreases. Okay. In summer that cold it decreases. The temperature it little increases, and that cold nature it decreases in the mountain area. But throughout the year same type of climate we are having in that mountain area. When you are coming to the coastal area, it will be moderate climate. Moderate means medium. Okay, not too much of hot, not too much of cold. It means it is considered as, we are calling that one as a moderate climate. That kind of climate we are having in the southern part. Coastal area means where it is. You can look at this. It is coastal area. It is coastal area. Okay, coast means what? Where the sea and land meet each other. This place is called as coastal area. Here we have moderate climate. This is about this third chapter. Now with this I am going to end this third lesson, and also I am going to conclude my today's class. In my next class I will discuss questions and answers of this chapter, third chapter. Okay, I hope you are all understood this. If you are not understanding something and if you are having confusions, immediately you call me. Okay, take care all of you. Have a nice day.